Where's my stay-at-home mommies? Guys, we literally have only 2 months left of 2025. So I have a question for you. Are you going to waste them or are you going to use them? Are you going to finally start building the life that you desire? And don't get me wrong, I get it, you're exhausted. The bills just won't never stop. School fees, groceries, and all that. And you promise yourself that things going to be different. But somehow every month, it just ain't the same way. And here's why I choose a digital marketing, because you don't need any experience, tech skills, marketing background to start earning online. My friend, with 2 hours a day, following a proven system, you could literally start learning and earning at the same time. These last 2 months is more than enough for you to take action. So are you gonna let this last 2 months skip by, or are you gonna take action and start your online business, my friend, and stop stressing that one income stream? If you are ready to stop stressing that one income stream and start your digital business, put a word me in my comments or go to my bio, babe. You know what to do. Click the link in my bio. All the info is there.